Santosh, please start the session, Santosh.
Okay, good evening, guys. So, so I hope everyone has arrived. Only 81 members has arrived. Okay, still let me open my software. Until then, let everyone come. So tomorrow is our last session, guys. So if you want something uh, from the software, you can ask me. So tomorrow session, I will fully uh, make the session for your interaction only. So if you want any doubts or etc., I will try to tell. So today we are going to discuss about the animation. So shading yesterday we have discussed, but the thing is, um we are unable to go in depth with the software, right? So um, I am unable to cover this fully full of shading because we are lagging because of time. So what is this link? Drive link here. So what is this drive link, Mr. Miss Mansa Elimati? Today from its day, yeah, still. So today it's day 8. So let me check once. Uh, Day 8, okay. Tomorrow day 9. Okay, okay, okay. So I think tomorrow is not the last session. Yeah. Okay. So do you have any doubts here up till now? So let me know if you have any doubts or so. Do you want any specific topics to be covered or etc.? So I am not able to cover many topics because there is a lot more to discuss in the software. But the thing is, they're lacking the time. So the UV editing we have discussed. So what more you want? Difference between Eve and Cycle. Eve is a kind of render engine, and Cycles 2 is also a kind of render engine. But so Blender is a 3D animation, na. So like that only. So Blender, Maya, 3D, 3ds Max, these are all what we say animation softwares, modeling softwares, right? So in the same way, even Cycles are also render engines. We call render engines. So that is one kind of render engine. Cycles is a kind of render engine, but the difference between both mainly comes with the rendering time. So to render an image in Eve, it takes less time, whereas in Cycles we get more time, but the realistic image we will get in Cycles. Okay. Texture painting. Texture painting we have discussed it, right? So you want other, so we can discuss in depth, okay? But the thing is, we are lagging the time. So that's today's task is little tough while doing. Okay. So try, okay, if you get any doubt, how we get certificate, madam. So madam will tell you about that. Okay. So if you should submit the task, so that's it to get the certificate, and you need to give the feedback of every day. Okay. Graph editors. Okay. While using image texture, the object is changing to black color. Okay. So using image texture, so you need to join the node. Okay. So and then when you join the node, you need to assign the image, not simply leaving it. Okay. So yes, sir, not coming. You need to try to show. Sir, you have shown a video in in the first session how to make that kind of video. So what video I have shown? I have shown you two to three kinds of videos. So what do you want in that Spring video? Spring video I have not done yet. So you made for your friend. So okay, okay, that text, right? Okay, I will tell you about that. Okay, don't So remind me. Okay, I will tell you that. So before that, let us discuss about the animation. So we are lagging time. So it's 6:10 right now. Okay. So my software has open. So remind I think that so when I go for UV editing, shading, or etc., the screencast keys won't work. Okay, so you remember that thing. So can you say rendering once again? Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry about that. So this is our interface. Okay, I think everyone is habituated for this. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to talk about animation. Now. So first, for the animation, this timeline is very mandatory. Okay. So you need to remember this auto key. Okay. So here, this transform, I think this tab is also important if you want to go for only a single kind of translational properties. So translation means movement, movement in a linear direction. Rotation. Okay, I think you might be hearing about this in your physics, right? So, okay, uh, I am selecting this one. So, madam, do you want to tell anything, madam? Hello. So, madam, do you want to tell anything?
Hello, madam. Do you
So,
want to tell anything? Answer. Madam.
Santosh.
అంటే మీది అన్మ్యూట్ అయ్యి ఉంది మేడం సో అదే కొంచెం నాయిస్ వస్తుంది దానికి
Okay, Santosh.
ఓకే మేడం సో so here see once guys this one so this cube if you want to make a animation so basic animation is turning this cube right so if you keep so generally if you keep like this okay uh, it will be in the standard position so here you can see this is a frame 1 so by default it will be frame 1 if I make so it is around I am choosing this z axis right so okay if I keep here what we say this keyframe this is a keyframe okay animate property okay here you are able to see right so at the first frame here you are able to see the yellow color right okay so here you can get dope sheet for animation timeline graph editor drivers non-linear etc okay so when you go for shift to 20 keyframes okay and you again change to something like 60 if I change okay I will keep this one and I go for 40 keyframes and I will change this to 204 and I will keep another keyframe so again I will go for 60 so make sure that you keep the keyframes correctly okay so and again I will go for 360 okay I will go for 360 and I keep a keyframe. So here, okay, it's see when you are moving this timeline, it's rotating like this. So if I so go to select box and press the what is a space bar. If you press the space bar, it will rotate. Okay. So see, it's rotating, right? Right. So okay, right. Are you getting this, guys? So yeah, can you? Okay, okay. So if I want to decrease what we say the keyframe distance. So I will select the Sony keyframe. So others got a white color. So you can move this keyframe. So here when you go in depth, okay, it will start showing the each and every frame. So if you want one, go deep and deeper. Okay, 124, 125 like that. You got okay. So I can go for simply press the scroll button. Okay, so select this one. So select this cube. So if you press this key, you will go to what jump endpoint. Okay, like you can press the arrow keys on your keyboard to go left arrow mark. You will go to what we say zero or one keyframe. So if you press the right key arrow, you will go to the end frame. Okay, like if you, by default in Blender you will be having 250 keyframes. So 250 divided by 24. So when you what we say um, keyframes mean 24 frames per second by default you will be having. So let me show you that one. So here see side at the dimensions. So here a frame start is 1, 250, step is 1. So like number of frames to skip forward. So one frame it will skip for every frame. Okay, so here you are able to adjust to 24, 25, 29.97, 30 frames per second, 50, 59, 60 and custom. So it's up to you whether you want to increase the 24 frames per second or etc. But don't forget the thing that if you change the frames per second, the size of your video will be more. So 30 frames per second video will be lesser than 60 frames per second video. So 60 frames per second video will be lesser than 120 frames per second. So you might be noticing that one like so slow motion videos in your mobile, right? So slow motion videos captures at 240 frames, 920 frames. Latest is 920 frames, right? And which one I don't know. Okay, that will be having more. So only it has a span of just 5 seconds or 6 seconds, but it takes more frames, and the size will be same as a long length video. Okay, you might be getting this. So okay, here you will be having the output. So if you want to change the output, it's up to you. So the location is CHTMP. If you type in your let me show you that one also. So here you are able to see. I will go for downloads. So here you type C hash TMP. So here there is a video, right? So that is the previous one which I have made in Blender. Okay, so it will be corrupted. Yeah. So be careful that whether you don't make any errors while rendering. So it will be corrupted. So see, it's corrupted. So make sure that you make the video nicely. So if you go for what we say the camera view, so it will be like this. If I play this one, it will be moving like this, right? So I gave only 60 frames per second. Okay, 60 frames. So if I press here 60 frame, so it got moved to 60 frames. Okay, see here you are able to see. So you need to change so file format. If you make file format as PNG, it will come as a every frame will come as a single PNG, right? Like if you make the PNG 60 frames you have kept now, we will get 60 PNG files. Okay, if we keep as AVI JPEG or AVI RAW, we will get the output as much more bigger output we will get. So okay, if you go for FFmpeg video, so you can try this all. So BMP, Iris, PNG, JPEG, JPEG 2000, Targa, Targa RAW. So this is all up to you whether you want or not. So want to go for animation video. So I suggest MPEG video. So ours is a color, right? You go for RGB color. So if you Martosoka gives a .mov file for Apple devices like Mac or etc. Martosoka is okay. So you can play that in Windows using what we say Windows Media Player or etc. So MP EG4 is okay. So here we have H264 medium quality encoding speed. Okay, so I want to go for medium quality at present because so we have only limited time. Okay, so before that, I will go for render engine. So it's Eve 64 viewport 16. It's okay. Bloom okay. Ambient occlusion okay. So bloom, what does the bloom gives is, so if you go for a emission property, so you want a glowing effect, but emission by default will be somewhat shiny, but not that much effective. So like star effects or etc. will come when you select the bloom. Ambient occlusion also, if you select that both, there will be a glowing effect in your so let me show you that also. So I think you have remembered how to go for a camera movements, right? Okay, press this one. It's coming like this. Okay, I think it's okay for you, right? Uh, so go for render mode. So let us make a sun or a 3 point lighting. Okay, we didn't discuss about the 3 point lighting, right? So go for 3 point lighting. So we need to adjust this one. Okay, 3 point lighting will be nice here. So when you go for a different one, let me place this one. Okay. You need to adjust this all. Okay, will be it will give a good output. So that I gave 100. Say we want to give 50. This 1000. So I will delete this lighting by default lighting. See, this is giving like this. So it is making a good what we say good appearance for the object. So I can increase this to 1000 to see how it has increased. But I don't want this much. Okay, I want to go for 500 or let us go for 200. Let us give this also as 100. So it's up to you. It's for your choice. Okay. So you can change the color, lighting color of your individual bulb. So you can go for red color. Here you can go for blue color. Here you can go for so here see this lighting is nice, right? So if I keep here the material like metallic, so roughness if I decrease, so some kind of shining you will be getting. Okay, I will decrease the metallic, but decrease the roughness too. So here you are able to see this shining, etc. So here if you go for what do you say ambient occlusion, so here you can increase bloom threshold or etc. So it's up to you, but in the render you will be getting. So okay, don't let us not make this clumsy. So so here we can go for the spotlight or etc. When you want to highlight a specific part, so you can go for spotlight. So cheat. See, so how it got highlighted, right? So you are able to observe this one, right? So if I want to change somewhat the properties of the material, okay, you can go here and make a somewhat emissive. It's up to you. If you go for emission of something yellow color, etc. Okay, so let's leave it. So tangent, I think it's not enough for needed for you. So, but if you want, we can go for that. Okay. So, okay, let me first show how to make a small clip, movie clip or something. So, if I want this one to be rendered, so I fixed this one, this from 0 to 60. So, okay, you can do this in the animation tab. So here in the animation tab you are able to see uh, this this is the video, this is the camera frame. So here all the key frames are there. Okay, you can adjust this one. So see, go for a go for this one and I press G. So I can keep this here. So if I go for here and I press G, so you may be getting a doubt. So how to make this look like? So here you can go for render, or else here you can go for render. So I will switch this to material. So here this is the output you are viewing, right? So here too you can go for what we say N view, and go for camera view. So not 3D cursor, okay, and plus N here. So here you are able to see. So I think this is nice, right? So okay. So still, if you want to upload any kind of images or etc., it's up to you. So again, I will go for this one. Control C. I am pressing Control C and Control V. So and again, I am getting a. So so after 360, you need to again go to this one. So you need to think somewhat in a realistic way. So you should use some common sense here. So the thing is, so let us check. Okay. So see, it's rotating this way and this way. So I have done a mistake. So if I keep here and I keep here, so now let's check. So see, so if I keep this one here, so let us see what will happen. So here we have trick here. So okay, it's not right. If I delete this also, here if I keep 60, so if I make 360 here. So after 360, what should the angle be? So it should be greater than 360, right? So 360 So 360 plus 360, it should be 720, right? So if I keep 720 here, it will be right. Okay, and degrees we can change. Okay, so if you want front and back, it's up to you. So let us keep a small cubes around it. Okay, I will keep. I will keep. Say, okay. So let's check. Okay, it's nice, somewhat okay. So to make it look somewhat nice, so here we can go directly from 0 to 3 0 360 and 720. But what why I have made like this means because to make you understand. Okay, so I want something more here, so I will go for layout and make a new cube or something. Let's take another image. So okay, I want to show you another also. Another thing is icosphere. I will go for icosphere. Okay, let us assign. So I will show you another method. So here you have auto keying, right? So if you make auto keying and press, so if you press somewhat G and press, go for another frame, press G, go for another frame, press G, go for another frame, press G, G. So here see, all these keyframes got selected, right? If I press G, so if I press G, some randomization. If I want to give some randomization and want to get every movement of this object to be selected. Okay, I am giving some random. It's up to you whether you can give anything. So okay, I have gave this all in the 10 keyframes. Okay, so that's why it is here only. I need to change the keyframe. Okay, at the 10th keyframe I need to view here 20 keyframe. I need to so I need to change the keyframe. Don't forget about that. So if you forget about that, whole will be lost. Okay, like here only. So I made this just to show you. Okay, okay. So let us see the whole animation, right? So after that, deselect this auto key because it will be better. Okay, see. So okay. So here you are able to see this, right? Okay. So it's clear up till now, guys. So yeah, yeah. How to make a walkthrough? Okay, for to make a walkthrough, we need. So it's, let's see the time first. So it's 6:34. Okay, we can. Okay, so it won't make that much time to make a walkthrough. So I will try to show you a single. So once explain the color session. So just I didn't make any colors here. So just I have made the lighting colors only, not the object colors. So these all are just object colors. So okay, let me so this is enough I think for now. So here go to render session. So someone asked about the render, right? So go here. So let me get so think this is better, right? So I don't want to go for any other properties, so that makes somewhat different. Okay, so if you want, you can do, if you get any doubt, we can make that clear. Okay. Mm, Here, go for render. So before that, you check all the settings where you get the output and how, which quality you need, etc. Okay, TMP. Okay, it's better for now because I have n number of files in my Blender folder. So it's nearly 70 GB, like that. Okay, so that's why I don't want to go for it. Again, I need to check that one. That's why only 25 frames per second is enough, I think. Okay. So resolution 1920 1080 HD. Okay. If you want to change, you can change. Okay, like 720p or etc. So I will go for render animation. So let's see. So it's a 637. Okay, we will see. So frame one. So frame one. So what happened? So it's rendering. Okay, the background. So let us see this CPU, how much it's occupying. So see, Blender E will not occupy that much CPU. So if you go for a high, like a high scene or somewhat, it will occupy much space. Okay. So I thought that tomorrow is the last day for our session. Okay. I think still we have a day. So we can. So I will show you how to add HDRIs, so bone animations, etc. So okay, someone asked about the walkthrough, how to make a walkthrough, right? So I will show you. I think time will be permitting now only. So I will show you something. So let's take a simple 3D model or anything. So I will show you that one. Okay. So hey dynamics or particle simulation, I think, do you want that or not? It's up to you only. I don't want to force or ask. So, so do you want that? So let me. So how to make an animation into slow motion? So okay, if you want how to make, once explain. What is this? Just explain the colors. So once explain lightning. Okay, I will. So yesterday class also I have told you about the lightning. So today also I have told you the lightning. So okay, once again we can. But while you are animating, don't disturb the scene. So if you disturb the scene, your animation will be lost. The data will be corrupted, and many things will occur. Okay. So even your device gets somewhat. Sometimes it will get damaged, so like overriding CPU or etc. If you go for high 3D models, so I have a 500 MB files of Blender or etc. So single file will be 500 MB. So that much high resolution, means high poly images I will be using, right? Okay. So explain text animation. Okay, I will explain here. Oh, okay, I will explain. So we have a say another day, na? So we will explain now. So explain collide collisions. You want okay? You want collisions. So Tamada Purushottam, tell me whether you want collision. Ah, okay. Collisions, okay. I think collisions will make much time here. So that will come under intermediate and high model. Means high in that software. So sir, upload session videos in 480 or 480p or 700. So just remember a thing. Okay, I am not recording the session. So madam will be recording the session. So it's up to her only whether whether how much resolution she will upload or not. Okay. So I too told her about the recording clarity. Madam uploading so somewhat, but she didn't respond about that. So I don't know about that. Okay. So you ask only madam, not me. Record slow motion. Slow motion recording won't be here. You need to go to a video editing software. See here, a Premiere Pro. So I am using Premiere Pro. Okay. Uh, Premiere Pro or etc. Any software you go and make the time to less, make less time, like 60 make 60% speed or 50% 10% speed, so that if you have more frames like 120 frames of video or etc., you can make it to 50%. Okay, so it will be like slow motion. So yeah, what I have told, did you remember? So are you getting that? Mm, walkthrough. Walkthrough. So okay, Mr. Subhash Chandra, if you want walkthrough means just you wanted a 3D model to be 3D like human being or etc. to walk, right? So you were asking that only, na? Uh, so for so much my land in the face should be more, right? More, sir. Yeah, yeah. The frame should be more, else you will get something. Scene. What scene? Walkthrough means so generally walkthrough means any 3D model to be rigged. So rigging, that comes under rigging. Okay, camera follow the character, so that is walkthrough. According to you, that is walkthrough, but for us and animators, they say walkthrough means for a 3D object to be the movement. Okay, so they call it as a walkthrough by assigning the bones. Okay, if you don't assign the bones and say it's a walkthrough, we don't call it as a walkthrough. Okay, so we need to assign the bones. Okay, I will talk about the bone session. So it's a rendering. Okay, let us see. So it's 55 frames. Okay, we have started that at 6:37 or 8. Okay, 7 I think. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So 6 minutes over. So tomorrow is last day. So no, I think tomorrow is not the last day. So 10 days the workshop is. Okay. So up till 13th, right? Okay. Okay, sorry, I only forgot that. So any doubts still? Okay. So you remember me. So today, okay, I will tell what I want. Okay. So from tomorrow, you ask what the topics you need. Okay. So okay, you want to tell, yeah? Why asking me to tell? I think walk cycle. What walk cycle? What do you think about walk cycle? Congratulations. Wonderful sessions. Congratulations, RM Ravindra, Hyderabad. So, static social work. So, okay, my lady, why are you keeping, sir? So, can I know? So, do you want any work from me or anything from me? So, let me know if you want anything. So, sir, I am available in the groups. You can have me if share any materials. So, okay, I have materials, but the thing is, materials are not that much useful. Okay, so according to me on Blender, I have shared a single shortcut keys. Okay, but only shortcut keys. So, okay, materials won't be that much useful in Blender. So where it comes to Maya or etc., it might be somewhat helpful, not that much helpful. Okay, okay. You want any kind of 3D modeling or etc., sir? Okay, we can talk about that. So I think the rendering has done. Okay, this is 60 frames. Okay, over. So we will go. Can explain each tools in software. So I think this is the first class you are coming here. Mr. Amarnath. I think this is the first class you are coming. So if you are, I have taken nearly four classes for that. He asked about walk through. No, sir. That is I think walk cycle. He wanted to say walk cycle. Okay, yes. Walk through, walk cycle, everything same. Okay, let us see our animation video. So, so here, see, you are able to see the 60. So the naming will be from the initial key to final key. The naming will be like that. So if you give the same rendering video without any change in the thing, the existing will be overridden, or else you need to change the path. Okay. So let us see how it got animated. So see how it got animated. You are able to observe, right? So this is an animation, right? So see only so GPU performance. So see how the GPU performance is going. So AMD GPU. So here GPU is the mandatory. Okay, here the GPU performance is more. Okay, so I want to show you and make you so familiar about the importance. So okay, somebody asked about the lighting. Okay, so if I this is their lighting. Okay, so you can increase this one also. Okay, I forgot to tell about this. Okay, you can change like this the area or the intensity. You can if you change like this, it will give you more area and more lighting. Okay, so see how it's getting changed. I will go this for 200. See, so I have selected 3-point lighting. Okay, now this is a spotlight. Okay, this is a spotlight. Okay, you can go. You can change this color to white, yellow, red. So it's up to you. So here we have another trick also. So see, I will show you that also. Okay. Now this is a red color, na? So I have selected two red color. I will keep a keyframe here. Okay. So at a first keyframe, I have kept this one. So okay, I will go to 10 frames and I will change the color to pink. Okay, and I will keep another keyframe. So another keyframe. So and I go for 20 frames. I will keep blue color and I will keep another keyframe. I will go for 30. So if you want to just move for a what we say a single frame, you need to press side arrow key. Okay. So I think up till which color we got. So pink, now blue. Okay, you need to keep a keyframe here and go for 40. I will go for green color. Green color. Okay. Ah no, it's I will go for this blue color. Okay, I will keep this here. So I will go for green color. I will go for this color. So I will keep another keyframe. Okay. So I will go for white color. Okay, it's white color only. Sorry. So here you are able. So now see. So the light is changing. So I think you are unable to see this one. So just because I have selected 3-point lighting, you are unable to see this one. So let just make a thing. Spot try lamp, try lamp fill. So I will hide this one. Okay, we can hide this one. So now see. So now I will show you. So see here. So see the colors are changing. The light colors are changing, right? So you can animate the colors also. Okay. Explain different types of modifier. Modifier you're asking. I think I have told about the modifier, right? I didn't tell about modifier. So okay, modifier. I think I will tell. I will tell tomorrow. You remind me. I will tell you. But today, I think I need to tell some basics. Means about the basic animations. Okay. So okay, someone asked me when I press bake indirect light bake indirect lighting, it's taking so yeah, it will take much time here. So baking means okay, I will tell you about the baking. So baking means so if you for a complex scene or something etc. When you make a timeline or animation, when you press the space bar, it will lag, like frame drops you will observe. Okay, the timeline will be moving, but you won't be able to see the frames. So that's why when you make bake, so it will pre-render all the outputs you out the display you need to see, or the output you need to see, and store it in your local tmp file or etc, depends on the uh, blender default choice, or else you can change that one. Okay, so whenever you press the bake, okay, it will store that one, and whenever you press that one space bar, okay, it will show you the output. When the baked output, you will be see. When you make any changes in the output after the baking, you won't be able to see that one, because you need to bake another time. Okay, Miss Avaru Devisi. Okay, I think your doubt got rectified. So still you have it. So please tell 3 point lighting is not coming to me, sir. Please tell me solution. So why you are keeping 2 times? I can read. Okay, explain different types of modifier. Only displacement tell now. So okay, that comes under shading, right? So I think we need to discuss much, but I will try to tell you. Okay, modifiers. Displacement. Okay, only displacement. Okay, I will try if time permits. Okay, distant 3 point lighting. 3 point lighting means you need to just so you need to increase it. Just see in your 3D scene, Mr. Bon Prakash, whether it, so it will come here. There won't be anything like so if you believe that you there is nothing, so here you check 3 lamp, so you will be getting 3 black lamp fill and lamp key. Okay, so here you need to make that here. Okay, so here it will be of sure it will be. Okay, there won't be anything like it won't come. Blender file to obj or fbx file is not coming. Getting errors. Okay, getting errors means there won't so you need to make it another time, or so if you want to export, it is coming error, or if you want to import, it's getting error. Let me get that into clarity. Okay, if I get that one clarity, I will tell a solution. So there are, so generally if you want to import, so you make that file from I think what so better get the exact location and the file size for see that if your ram is 4 GB, you are getting a model of nearly 200 to 300 MB or big size. It won't get it. Sometimes it gets an error. Okay, so if there is any bug in the blender, reinstall it, or press the right go to the installer and press repair. Okay, also tell different material nodes. So yesterday I tell you, I think yesterday you are absent to the session. Okay, Mr. Yashwant G. Yashwant Raidu. I think you only asked about what we said displacement. So okay, I have told yesterday. So you are absent. Okay, sir, can you show how to make OBJ file? I think I have told that about how to make in third class. Okay, third means third day, third and fourth day. Tell about different nodes. So okay, the file is also there with me. So this is the thing we have made in the, I think which day, I think I am not remembering, fourth day or third day. I think fifth or fifth, okay. This is the file. I think you remember the chair. So okay, let me see other doubts also. So explain properties tools. So which properties here? Okay, okay. Here side prop. So this is the chair we have made, right? I think you remember this one. So okay, this only I have exported. Okay, you see the session. Okay, sir. Okay, tell about different nodes. Explain properties of tools. Okay, okay. సార్ టాస్క్ ఇస్తున్నారు బాగానే ఉంది, నాకు ల్యాప్టాప్ లేదు బట్ ఫోన్లో చేయొచ్చా? Good if the Blender community has given an app to Blender, but there is no app for an Android or iOS. So okay, so this session is not like that to watch and leave this session. This session is a practical session. You need to practice. Okay, not like that. Just like watching like a movie and simply so leaving it. Okay, so you need to practice. So that's why the main intention of giving task is you need to learn something. If you have a laptop, you will be getting how to make that. Okay, so sometimes the file I use doesn't open again, but the new file is opening normally. Okay, uh, so this issue will come sometimes to some people. Okay, so if you have installed two versions, Mr. Gummadi, Jagdish, Harsha, okay, if you have it installed 2 to 3 versions, so you will be getting this error. Okay, problem is 3 point lighting option is not showing. So okay, if it's not showing, you go for what you say, preferences and add-ons. Okay, go for lightning add-ons and etc, enable that on. Okay, so by default 3 point lightning will be there. So if you are not going, okay, you go for that. So 3 point lighting ఒకసారి యాడ్ చేసి చూపించరా? Okay, so I think, so what are you doing when I am so what we say, so pressing shift A, see here light. Okay, here you are able to see 3 point lights. Okay, you add that one. Okay, I don't want to add again and again. Okay, send the link for from phone. What I have tell, are you listening that one? So there is nothing version for Android. Okay, so Android or iOS for phone. Okay, it's only for laptop. This is a high end software. Yeah. Okay, higher version. Any higher versions than this? What higher versions about? Which higher version you want? So, Mr. Subhash Chandra, what higher version you want? So, okay, problem is 3 point lighting option is not showing. So, okay, 3 point option. I think by default I didn't enable anything here. So, go for reinstalling, or else you go for editing preferences. So here see try lighting. Okay, you enable this one. Okay, 3 point lighting. You enable this try lighting. Okay, so for 2.92 they gave like so as an add-on. Okay, previous versions by default. Okay, so here while installing also you can get this one. Okay, so I think you got clarity about this one. Okay, making a YouTube video some quality. So I am not recording here. Why are you not getting? You are not listening at the time when I am saying and asking again that. Send the link which you have said just for now. Yeah, what are you? Whether are you listening this one? I have said that there is nothing for Android. Okay, sir, in add-ons it is 3 point lighting, sir. So yeah, you have to add that one. Okay. So okay, this is some basic animation. So okay, if we go for so okay, I think the time is up. Okay, so I will show you. So here you are able to see armature, right? Single bone, human metallic, basic animals. Okay, if you go for human metallic, so okay, press S. So he see here. If you go for here, so see so see these are the facial bones. So this is the arm. So shoulder bone, wrist in. So this is the wrist bone. So okay, like as basic human, this there will be chest bones. Okay, if I go for shift A and go for animals, bird, meta. So there will be basic also. So like quadrupled human. So you can go for a single bone also. Okay, if I go for a single bone and press GZ, I got a single bone. If I go for tab and press, I will click this one. press E, extrude. Okay, I will get a newborn. If I press extrude E, I get a newborn. If I press E, I will get a newborn. Again, I will select this one, press C, I will get a newborn. Okay, this is okay, I think, for you. Press for E, it's okay. If I press E, okay, I think it's right for everyone. So we will go for this what we say, that animation. This also comes under rigging. So rigging is different from animation. So using bombs, it we say it's as a rigging. Like changing the translational properties by selecting the keyframes, we call it as a animation. So rigging comes under animation, but animation doesn't come under rigging. Okay, note this point. Okay, guys. So best add-ons. Okay, by default you will be getting some add-ons. Okay, let me show you an add-on. Okay, okay, I have. So I think, are you free, guys? So if you want only, I will tell this one. So okay, better I will show you in the last day or last before day. Okay, okay, then it will be better. Okay, guys. Still any doubts? So why are you keeping this Google Drive? Access dinner. We are not giving any access, but giving the Google form. So okay, guys. Any doubts? Can I end this session? So I'll okay. Today's task is you need to make an animation, basic animation like a movement of a cube, and make an MP4 file. Okay. 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 Bye. So make a basic animation of a cube or a icosphere, any object you take, and make an animation. Set up the lighting perfectly of your choice. Okay. Tomorrow only. Walk through class. Okay. Walk through. We can discuss tomorrow only. Okay. So make an animation of a basic cube. Okay. And upload that is your task. Okay, you make that mp4 for 60 frames only, 60 to 100 frames only you make. So up till 250 frames. Okay, not than that you don't make. Okay, not more than that frames. 250 frames is the limit for you. If you make rather than that, your file size will be more. Okay, 250 frames per 250 frames is the limit, not less than 60 frames. Okay, for from 60 to 100 60 to 250 frames is your limit. And make a mp4 video, or mp4 is the best video. Okay, mp4 you make and upload it. Okay, use proper lighting techniques. Okay, don't make a blurry or anything. Okay, use medium or a high quality, not a low quality. The task is not coming. So nothing like that. Not coming means yesterday you see in the group. Okay. So I will try to end this session here. So madam, are you there? So madam,
Okay, Santosh, I'll
hello.
end the session.
Oh, okay, madam.
Guys, everyone, please give the feedback. Today is any task?
Uh, yeah, I gave madam to make an animation. So
Okay,
animation
okay,
and
done, done.
upload a video.
Okay, done, done. Okay, guys, thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.